What's up, guys? Devin the Adventure Hubby Poshin back today doing another freaking video. We got the Christmas special, so we're gonna pretty much hop it right into the freaking epicness. Hopefully you guys are enjoying your holiday season. Hi guys, we have made it to West Mountain. We have made it to, I call base camp, because the top's way over there, you can't even see it. And Travis over there ripping on the floor there, but we're gonna do some sick burnouts. But you know, got a little burnout there, got a couple burnouts out there. You know what Christmas specials are about. We're gonna do a fat burnout. We're gonna jump right into the montage. What's up, guys? That was pretty much a Christmas special. We're back at Travis's house. First time actually being here.
Yeah.
Got some sick barns, nice house, some good lights. So it's dark now. Ever just cursed getting dark at freaking 5 o'clock. But yeah, it was super fun. We'll stop chitter chattering. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. But biggest thing on my channel, go out and go find your passion.